Now the second case is that हमको क्या करना है, यू हैव टू इंस्टॉल द इक्लिप्स. ओके, सो जस्ट गूगल में टाइप कीजिए इक्लिप्स, देन यू गो फॉर द इक्लिप्स डाउनलोड. ओके, और यू हैव टू चूज द इक्लिप्स आईडी फॉर द जावा डेवलपर. सपोज मैं यहाँ पे क्लिक करता हूँ तो यू जस्ट डाउनलोड दिस सॉफ्टवेयर and it look like this icon after the downloading. Okay, you just double click on this particular icon and then you have to install anyway. Okay, click on the install anyway key. Now next case में हमको क्या होगा, now it look likewise this. Okay, for the the Eclipse installation is going on. So in my system this particular installation is, this particular Java version is available, and it indicates that this is the particular folder where we have to install the Eclipse. If you want to change, you have to change. Now just click over here, the install. The installation process is going on. Accept the agreement, and then the installation is going on. Okay, so till the completion of this installation procedure, you have to just wait.